Whoa. My boys today about to do a little adventure at PALMYRA Cove. Introduce yourself.
My name is Milky and I love playing football.
Love playing football?
Yeah. I love boxing.
Hi, my name is Saw and I love playing VR.
Alright, here we go. Come on, boys.
That's the cove right there. See that building? Guys, so we're gonna be walking there. You know what the cove is? It's basically a museum and it's like a small museum. And there's like a lake near them. It's like a lake. I hope it's still there. We must see.
It's a river.
Oh, it's a river. Look at that. It's a pond. Favorite part is gonna be the river over here.
The river over there?
Yeah. Wait until you get into there. It's so good. There might be saber-toothed tiger fossils. I don't know. We must see.
All fish in there. You see them? That's all fish.
Yeah.
All little baby fish.
Oh.
You don't see them?
Yeah. There's a million of them.
This is pretty cool. Hmm? Oh.
They're way bigger animals. I've seen.
Imagine that landing on you.
Is that the cow killer? That's the cow killer, I'm pretty sure.
Dang!
Would be cool. There's moths.
Oh, you see these all the time, right?
Look at what egg is.
Don't touch. It's a goose egg.
Look over here. This is all the fish that's in there. Is there an eel?
Mm-hmm.
And a crab, and there's like a.
Yo.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
It's not showing up.
I composite.
Hmm?
Which one's infrared?
Don't touch.
That one's infrared. That one.
Right there, there's like a walkway where we can go and we can see the full river.
The
The
full river?
whole river. That looks like a beautiful city. Kind of looks like New York.
So yeah, the cove didn't have like all the stuff they used to. It took a lot of stuff out, I guess. So, gonna take them around, you know, walk them through the cove, the nature walk and stuff like that. It's still pretty nice in there if you want to check it out.
Oh, look at the big nature walk. And now, guys, look at this. This is a big place. Matter of fact, we might see a tiger.
Well, the tiger.
Maybe come over here. Wait, over there might be deer. There's a lot of trees over there.
We were going down there, and we actually got denied access to the demo.
Yeah.
So we had to go this way, I guess.
It said nuh-uh. It said nuh-uh, nuh-uh, nuh-uh. You ain't going on there, bro.
So be careful. If anything like further as you go forward, because it might be a lost movie. Boy, oh boy. A boar? It's a larva, or that might be a. Okay, so there's like a slight girl scream that we're hearing. Oh, that's just them on a jet ski.
Yeah.
Man, we thought there was something serious going on. Man, it's just them on a jet ski. That's what serious was going on. They're really just on a jet ski.
Guys, look at this. All these grasshoppers and stuff over here. You can hear it too. Listen. They're just here.
There go one. Look.
You see that? Y'all guys see that? Look at all of these boats over here.
There go one. Look. Huh?
Look at this beautiful view, guys.
Taking a quick break, get a nice snack in us.
I'm finished.
Oh, look, look, look. You see that? All the moss right there?
Can I get one?
No. That look crazy. Why are they all together like that? What in the world is going on? Whoa! Y'all saw that?
Oh, is that some more now? Got another one. Yo, they keep on chipping out.
We're gonna
Can I
go
get my stuff?
and we're gonna have the food cook going.
Are you gonna like melt the cheese on like cheddar cheese, or is it like cheese sauce?
I don't know why.
I want cheese
If
sauce.
it's cheese sauce, you can put it on sauce and like dip like fries.
Mm-hmm.
I want you to make cheese sauce.
We'll see.
That'd be
Let's get home first.
Huh?
Let's get home first.
Whoever gets home first wins.
Huh?
Whoever gets that ramp first wins.